Hi guys, in my house I have several Google Home speakers perfectly integrated in Home Assistant. I'm using them to listen to radio stations as well as to broadcast weather conditions. Since some of them are located in bedrooms, my need was to automatically reduce the volume levels during night hours. In this way, any messages or activations of the Google Assistant will not disturb those in bed. In my opinion, the right and best way to accomplish this is to use the Schedule Helper. It has been introduced by the Home Assistant version 2022.9 and it provides a simple way to create a weekly schedule to be used to take decisions, triggering automations. To configure the helper, you have to go to Settings, Devices and Services, Helpers, Create Helper, and select Schedule. As soon as the helper is configured, a new entity with entities ID schedule.something will become available. Here is my schedule helper I've configured where, for each day of the week, the blue hours are the slots in which the schedule helper state will be on. The white hours are the slots in which the schedule helper state will be off. Now it's correctly off. The yellow ones indicate the current day. This way, it's extremely easy to configure a powerful scheduler to be used in any automation. Since, as said before, my goal was to automatically reduce the volume levels during the night hours, I've also configured the following other helpers in order to group together all my Google Home speakers and to dynamically change the volume levels directly from the Home Assistant. For the first point, I've used the Media Player Group helper, this one. And this is my helper I've already configured. These are all the entities inside this group. For the second one, I've used the input number helpers. This is the wizard to create a new input number helper, and these are the current input number helpers I've already configured. The first one is related to the maximum volume for the Google Home, and the second one is for the minimum volume level for the Google Home. Now we have all the bricks to dive into the automation to accomplish my needs. This is the code, and as you can see, it's quite simple. The trigger section is composed of two trigger states related to the schedule helper. When the state of the schedule helper is on, the volume level set for all the Google Home will be the one defined by this input number helper divided by 100 since we are talking about a percentage. When the state of the scheduled helper is off, the volume level set for all the Google Home will be the one defined by this input number helper divided by 100 as before, since we are talking about a percentage. Guys, that's all for today. I do hope you have enjoyed this new tutorial. Don't hesitate to leave a comment in case of doubts, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay up to date on all the new upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.